What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We out here with Jericho.
What's up, guys?
Today we'll be working on Jericho's car. We already got the gloves on. No glove, no love. You already know.
Yes, sirree.
And we're about to be working on the Subaru again. She's actually back on the road. You want to tell them what happened?
Back after the state ref, so I had court like on the 28th of this month, or last month. So I showed up to court, and then the judge was like, "Did you get it fixed?" I just showed him my ref. And he was like, count one, count two is $25 each, so he told me a $50 dismissal fee.
Damn, okay. So yeah, the Subaru's back. And she's sitting low still, but we had to air her up, obviously. So one thing's for sure, she's not loud anymore, so we are going to be actually installing a J-pipe back into the car. And it's just his old J-pipe from before he got state ref. CNT J-pipe, Catless J-pipe. So this is what she looks like right over here. So yeah, it is two pieces, and that is the O2 sensor input right over here. Shouldn't be too bad.
Chris,
what?
I scratched my bumper.
Fro?
With the jack.
Oh shit. Bro. Oh. Can you guys see that?
Let's get a Ferris bumper.
Yeah. Alright guys, first things first, we are gonna take off the front left wheel.
The other one, it don't work like this.
Oh, bro.
The smaller one.
Let me try it.
So we're just taking out this front wheel so we have more space.
What do you mean you need the torque wrench?
Well, I don't go to the gym no more.
I don't either.
Yeah, I didn't either.
I haven't been there in a minute. Alright.
Alright.
I'm gonna jack it up now, take that shit off.
Yes. Stock body still. Stock internals.
Stock engine, stock
But
everything.
peep that E85 I'm just playing though.
Is that where it goes? Is that your fuel
Yeah, these are
lines?
fuel lines right here.
Oh, nice. Future plans. So yeah guys, we just got these new tools from Home Depot. It is a 3-inch drive socket set, so let me show you guys what's inside. And thankfully I did buy this because I've been needing tools for the longest, and now that I have an organized set, it'll be way easier to work on the cars. But right now Jericho is taking off the skid plate. We got the car on jack stands on this side, and right now first step is to take off the skid plate at the bottom.
Alright guys, so we just got both O2 sensors off. And now we are working on getting the ground wire out. So as you can see, my cat is really fucked up because of my accident. So I need to get rid of this ASAP. Now, we have
to get long extension real quick, bro?
Which one? 10 or 8? So we just got this from O'Reilly. 6. And we're gonna do this now. Here you go, brother.
Oh, you got it? Sure.
Need this though?
Damn. Look at this shit. Clutch. Let me show you guys what's going on right here. So basically, we took off the O2 sensors from here, and there's one on the other side. Oh, look at this cats. Damn, that's fucked up. But what's it called? Also, we took off the ground wire. So I believe the ground wire was mounted on the chassis. So this is the ground wire right here, and it's mounted in the frame somewhere over here. Can't really see it right now, guys. Sorry, but that's what we did, and it wasn't too hard. So next step is, what is it? Some new gloves. So, bro. Yeah. So we actually just had to go to O'Reilly's to pick up the swivel right here, and I got it right over here so we could get the last bolt out. And Brandon pulled up right now. What's good, Brandon? Haven't seen you in a minute.
He's like,
hey. And Andrew's right over there too. The buff boy.
alright.
It's the new buff boys.
What's up, man? Oh, so yeah, there's his turbo, guys. And then that top right bolt of the cat, I don't know, it's like right there. Here, right there, that shit was hella hard to reach, so we had to use a swivel and put it in like a weird position, but it finally came off, and now we're taking the cats off, guys. I'd say that was the hardest part about this install, but from now on it should be pretty easy. Yeah, look at this turbo.
And put this bolt there, please.
Where?
We can't lose it, just in case we need it.
Sure.
There's some new bolts.
Alright.
Alright.
What'd you say, bro?
I said fuck state ref.
Damn. He said fuck emissions, man.
It's a J though.
Hey, the J pipe.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Look at this piece of shit.
Holy shit. How do you feel, bro?
Good, man. Teamwork. It's the dream work, man.
What's up, guys? We just put on the fucking first part of the J pipe. Let me show you guys. Oh shit. Woo! So everything is on right now, guys. As you can see here, we connected it to the turbo right over here.
Shit took like
and then it's gonna be like, and then we put the O2 sensors back right here. Oh wait, no, there's an O2 sensor right here. So we put on the O2 sensors back right there, and there's one on that side as well. And we bolted that back on. Now we just have to connect the second piece, and we're good to go.
All right, help me, brother.
Yes, sir. Alright, guys, finally the whole J pipe is on, and right now we're just gonna put back on the skid plate and jack down the car, and we'll show you guys how it sounds. And honestly, that wasn't as hard as I expected, because last time we actually tried to do this before he got the state ref, we were trying to do it in the garage, but we actually failed. So
yeah,
this time we actually did it pretty fast. We did it in a couple hours. As long as you have the right tools and you take your time, I think it isn't that hard. So if you're looking to do this by yourself at home, guys, I would recommend it, because it's actually not that hard, and I'm not a mechanic whatsoever, but still managed to get it done. So should be good, guys. So we're gonna jack down the car. Actually, we gotta check for leaks. We should start it in the top when it's still jacked up.
Alright.
So we'll start it right now, and then we'll show you guys how the idle sounds. Hopefully it's gonna be loud as before, but most likely it's not gonna be as loud as it was before, because there's still a muffler. But shit still sound pretty good.
Ready?
Oh shit. Yup. Smell it now, you smell it. Yeah. Woo! Shit. Fuck this piece of shit. I'm just kidding, you can sell that shit for hella. I would keep it in case you get state ref though.
I need that shit.
In case you get state ref again.
I'm not, because I don't have
Woo!
Ooh, dude, this smells like fucking the gas carts in the Great America.
And guys, you guys smell that? No cats, boy. So yeah, the engine's semi-warm. Oh, it sounds good. Hey, it sounds healthy.
What? It sounds good, right?
It sounds good, yeah. Do it again, or a couple more, just a small one. Oh, still. Damn, bro. Good shit. Good shit, bro. Good shit.
Good shit.
Hey, we got Andrew, the Mr. Tweak over here, and the car is just finished. But we're about to go on a test drive. I think he put back on the verbal tune on that access port right there. So we're gonna go on a test drive, see how the car sounds. Yeah, the interior though, hella nice. Shit.
Dog?
Yeah, I do.
The dog keeps following me around.
Oh really? That's your that's not your
No,
dog?
it's not my dog. It was in the middle of the street and it like followed me.
Oh.
Went home and now
Really?
I'm just like
Likes your
trying to
house.
walk it around the neighborhood.
He has no tag or a collar, huh?
Its tag has like a license number, but it doesn't have a thing. And I tried to look up the license and the.
What?
She's really nice.
I know.
She seems very well behaved.
I know.
Where are you from? What the hell? That's hella funny. Look.
You should bring her aside, Chris.
Huh? I wish, but I don't know.
Yeah, if you wanna take care of this dog.
All right, so we're going on a test drive right now. We just went in an encounter with a nice dog. Isn't that right?
Kind of smells though.
Yeah, the dog kind of smells. Yeah, I thought it was that woman's dog, but it wasn't. That's the burble tune, right?
It's better if you have fucking
Muffler's off.
Yeah, but I'm gonna just get the single exit.
Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
Going downhill.
Ooh.
I'm gonna do it downhill.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's definitely louder than before, though. Still pops when you shift too.
Something at CJ's.
Popcorn, dude. Holy shit.
Dude, I missed my old pop. Oh, I missed the old pops. That shit
You gotta
was.
take off your muffler, huh?
Yeah.
That one was like.
I mean, we could take it off right now, but.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Want to?
Nah. I'd rather run an exhaust, but let's hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Holy shit. That's hot boy, bro. How do you feel, bro?
It's alright. I still want
The
my extra.
whole way down the hill.
But that's gonna do it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And comment, guys. I don't see any comments, so I'm gonna expect more of that shit. Alright, what you gotta say?
Huh?
You got anything to say,
Alright,
bro?
We're just slowly coming back together with the
The longer your
cars.
comment is, the bigger your dick is.
What'd you say?
The longer your comment is, the bigger your dick is.
Oh, yep, you heard it here first. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.